This wood is so naughty, you wouldn't believe how naughty it is. It's almost too naughty. That's why today we're going to learn how to take the naughty out of your wood using spray paint. We're talking different families of primer and how to handle your toughest knots. I'm Danielle, and welcome to De-cor Homes.
Like Einstein said, if you continue to try the same things and expect different results, that's the definition of madness. Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes here. On today's project, we're actually trying to deal with knots that are bleeding through the wood. This has been primed 2 times and painted 3 times. So that being said, it doesn't matter how much primer or paint we put on, it's going to continue to bleed through. In this situation though, I didn't want to take any chances. So I got myself a Shellac-based primer. There's 3 different families of primer. The water-based primer, which is the weakest of all of them. The oil-based primer, which is stronger, and the best is a shellac-based primer. Oil-based primers will likely get the job done for any job that you're running into, but should the oil-based primer not be enough, enter the shellac-based primer. This one we got from the Home Depot. It's by Zinsser. It's a great product. It dries in 15 minutes, and you have to shake the heck out of it, okay? The main thing that you have to understand about the oil-based primers and the shellac-based primers is that the oil resins tend to create a much stronger odor. So strong that the odor that it produces is significant.
And it stinks.
Okay, open up your windows, make sure it's a nice day. The stuff dries in 15 minutes, so get the job done and move on. But before you spray anything, you gotta be intelligent. If this hits anything that you're not supposed to hit, good luck trying to get it out. If you don't wipe it up right away, it's in. So, what you need to do is get some drop sheets. You get drop sheets, you lay them down, and you make sure that the area that you're working on is protected, because no client wants you in their house, or no one even wants any work being done in a house where you're doing more damage than good, right? You've heard the term 1 step forward, 2 steps backwards. Well, that's not us, okay? So I got 2 drop sheets because I don't want to make a mess. So we got to do both sides of this door jamb. So what I did was I got myself this sophisticated piece of cardboard here, and I got my primer. So we'll shake it really, really, really well. So this primer may not match our semi-gloss that we have on here currently, but it'll get pretty close, okay? So what you want to do is take a piece of cardboard, make sure you have everything covered below, and we'll position our drop sheet around the wall because we don't want anything to potentially fall down. Okay, so let's give it a spray. Okay, shake it up, spray it from a distance. Shake it up and spray it from a distance. Okay, afterwards, something to keep in mind is that this stuff does not go on very gracefully. Have a foam roller and just roll it in. Okay, this foam roller, it'll go on smoother and it'll look way better. Okay, let's continue to spray. Okay, we get our roller up in there. Okay, this might need 1 or 2 more little touch-ups, but with this, at least our touch-ups won't be in vain. They'll actually be done, and they'll actually stay the way they were meant to stay, bright white. Man, this stuff doesn't really go on very gracefully, eh? Okay, so just keep touching it up until it looks perfect. Let's go over here. Perfect. Man, that's got an odor to it, but we'll be in and out in no time. Okay, move down here. Quick spray from a distance, like I said, not too far because you don't want to spray your house. And go. Okay. Take our roller, roll it in. Roll it in. Roll it in. So you can tell here that the actual color is slightly different, but for that couple of seconds that we put towards this project, like, it looks significantly better. So if you compare these 10 and bleed knots to over on this side, have a look over here. You know, that's pretty significant over there. Let's try over here. Get this done. So back up from a distance and spray. Like every project, once you start doing it, you get the hang of your rhythm, how to spray things, what to do, and then projects just become a lot easier. And probably one of the best tips I could possibly give you, when you're spraying this stuff, don't lean up against the wall you just sprayed. Do I have anything on me?
Nope.
I could just feel my back sticking to that wall. Alright. So not bad. So on this you can still see it kind of bleeding through a hair. Everyone always says, use kills, it's the best. And actually the reality is, it's not the best. Shellac-based primer comes from the female lac beetle, hence the name shellac. Shellac-based primers are the best out there. They're the best for tricky woods. They deal with water spots, smoke stains. They deal with anything that you really struggle with. Whenever a regular primer doesn't get the job done, use a shellac-based primer. So again, this is just to smooth it out. Look at this product. Like, not bad. We didn't even touch any paint over this at all, so you can still see it, but after you're done priming, typically you can always see little knots. So yeah, this job is pretty well clean. This side looks good. So we just have to make sure that we're just gonna go over one last quick time, because this side I did twice, but it would be nice to hit up some of these ones because they're a little bit more stubborn. Right here. Right here. Okay, let's paint that down. Wish. Be simple. And that's how you fix knots in your wood. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
You're still here. Make sure you check out our other videos, like this one.
What?